I have a friend who wrote a musical called Indigo. It follows the story of 3 generations of women, the youngest being Emma, who is autistic and has synesthesia. Throughout the musical, there's this colourful little bird that is featured in the artwork, and there's songs written about this little birdie. I used that as the inspiration behind this piece, and the bird was so colourful, I knew that I had to do it with Raku. So you can see the glow. I'm going to leave that until it's cooled down. I'm just getting these ones glazed. Here we go. Woo! A little bit of air this time. Woo, woo, woo. Oh. Oh my god, this looks gorgeous. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. I wanted the blue and I've got loads of blue. That's the one.
I wanted to show you something. So there's a friend of mine who is a potter in the UK, made with mud pottery. She's made me a ton of mugs over the years. We're really, really good friends. She came out to see Indigo. And before she did, she said she was looking through all of the social media posts, and there's this recurring theme in Indigo as far as an image is concerned, and it's this little bird. And there's even a lullaby called What Did Little Birdie Say? But it's a very important theme. And she saw the picture of it, the artwork that we were using, and she made this for me for opening night. She handmade this. Isn't this beautiful? It's almost an exact replica of the bird that we use, and she fired it using Raku, R-A-K-U, I think it's called. And anyway, I just wanted to show you. You should follow her. It's beautiful.